Hi guys, it's me Natalia.
And me, Nicole, and we're doing fidget rating.
Okay? I go first. Okay. These are my twin mushies. Mochis. Mushies!
Comment down below if it's mushies or mochis.
No, they can't comment because I don't know how to turn it on. I'll try and do it earlier. Just whatever. This is my snapper. I don't know where the other one went. Probably stole it.
It's purple.
You already saw it in the first one though. It's my purple fidget spinner. It's my Batman one. Batman. This is my infinity cube. It's red, black, and yellow. And this is my fidget rings. I lost the other one. Oh, and this is my
Cat.
when I get the comments fixed, how many if it's a dog, cat, cow, or whatever it is.
Could be a raccoon.
And this is my Mickey Mouse puppet. This is my Hello Kitty puppet. I love cats.
And this is
my elephant.
I got that. Okay, look. Elephant. Okay, and that's all she has. Okay, I will stop. Okay, I don't know what these are called. Simple dimples.
Snapple.
No, simple dimples. I have two simple dimples. I have this one from my cousin. Purple, green, and orange is yellow. This one's more shiny. This one's green, pink, and orangey. I don't really know. Amber. I have my 3 magic rings. My rainbow sniper I got from Blackwell. It was like £3. It's such a bargain. I've got my mini infinity cube. Stop. Okay, and I've got my infinity cube.
Oh, that's the end of the video. I can show you something.
Okay, and my infinity cube. Yeah, and then my cousin had a de-enable, but my other cousin exploded it, and I just have one. Okay, and then I have, of course, a common one is a marble mesh. Everyone has to have one. A simple dimple as a doggo. Yeah, because it's got a short tail. Okay, I got, what's this called?
Pipe cleaner.
A pipe cleaner. Okay, got one of them. I use that as a monkey noodle, just it doesn't stick. And then I have a unicorn textured monkey noodle. I don't really like it. I have a green textured monkey noodle, but I lost it. I got it from like a grocery store. I've got my little mochi. What? Oh wait, what the hell are you doing? Oh, baby, it's really itchy. Stop. Okay, I have him. He has a little few cracks on his back, but he's okay. I have my traps. Ouch, stop.
Chips.
I have this face maker.
Winnie the Pooh, she loves it.
Oh. Hey. Oh, stabby. Okay,
I can make a cool filter out of homemade.
Stop. And then you have my bendy squishy. He has that. He has that. And then he has that. And then his is kind of weird. Stop. And then that. Okay, and then I have my huge tangles. This is my sister's. You know, she doesn't really like them, so I have my huge tangles. I have my textured ones that they're like so dear. Okay, this I just find as a scab.
Yeah, because I don't know what you should do money. When I get the comment section fixed, tell me what that's for, please.
Okay, well,
Okay, bye.
No, I have my little llama squishy.
Don't mind that.
My little tie-dye turner that I just got today. And my Among Us puppet. And then one more thing, 2 more things. At these. And that's it.
And you have me.
And yeah, and then people say they're not really fidgets, but I like to just like them like that.
Okay, that's the end of the episode.
Okay, bye.
Should have been 4 minutes. Bye.